Are you looking for the best sewing machine for clothing repairs, quilting, embroidery, home decor, or creative craft projects? Modern sewing machines offer built-in stitches, automatic needle threading, LCD controls, quilting tables, high-speed operation, and computerized features that make sewing faster and easier. In this video, we've selected the 5 best sewing machines of 2026 based on stitch quality, ease of use, sewing speed, included accessories, quilting capability, durability, automatic features, and overall value. Whether you need a beginner-friendly computerized machine, a powerful heavy-duty model, or a combination sewing and embroidery machine, there's an excellent option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which sewing machine earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Starting our list at number 5 is the Brother SE700, a computerized machine that combines everyday sewing with beginner-friendly embroidery features. It offers built-in patterns, wireless design transfer, and convenient automatic functions for clothing, repairs, crafts, and personalized home decor. The SE700 includes 135 embroidery designs, 10 embroidery lettering fonts, 103 sewing stitches, and 10 one-step buttonhole styles. Its maximum embroidery area is 4 by 4 inches, making it suitable for monograms, small decorative designs, patches, and children's clothing. The color touchscreen lets you preview and edit designs before stitching, although the listing gives conflicting display measurements of 3.7 inches and 3.2 by 1.8 inches. Wireless LAN connectivity allows embroidery files to be transferred from a computer using Brother's design database transfer software. You can also use the Artspiro mobile app to download patterns or draw custom designs. An automatic needle threader, automatic thread cutter, drop-in bobbin, and 8 included presser feet help simplify setup and operation. Pros: sewing and embroidery functions in one machine, 135 embroidery designs and 103 stitches, wireless and USB design transfer, Artspiro mobile app compatibility, automatic needle threader and thread cutter, includes a 4-inch loop and 8 sewing feet. Cons: limited 4 by 4 inch embroidery area, intended only for 120-volt US use. Display size is inconsistent in the listing. Overall, the Brother SE700 is a versatile entry-level combination machine with strong connectivity and creative features, making it our number 5 pick for the best sewing machines of 2026. Number 4. Janome 420QDCG Computerized Sewing Machine. Coming in at number 4 is the Janome 420QDCG, a computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for garments, home decor, repairs, patchwork, and layered quilting projects. It combines a portable design with a strong selection of stitches and useful automatic features. The machine includes 120 built-in stitches with a maximum stitch width of 7 mm. Its LCD touch panel and stitch pattern memory make it easier to select designs and save preferred settings. Automatic thread trimming, adjustable sewing speed, and the built-in one-hand needle threader help reduce setup time and simplify operation. Janome's advanced feeding system is designed to move fabric smoothly and reduce shifting or puckering across lightweight materials and quilt layers. Adjustable presser foot pressure, free arm sewing, and snap-on feet add flexibility for sleeves, hems, applique, and detailed work. It also includes a large extension table, hardcover, and multiple presser feet for quilting and general sewing. Pros: 120 built-in stitch options, maximum 7 mm stitch width, stitch pattern memory, automatic thread trimming, built-in one-hand needle threader, adjustable speed and presser foot pressure, smooth fabric feeding system, includes a large extension table and hardcover, useful selection of quilting and sewing feet, strong limited warranty coverage. Cons: does not include embroidery functions, smaller review count than many popular alternatives. Advanced controls may require some learning for beginners. Overall, the Janome 420QDCG offers reliable stitch quality, strong quilting features, and convenient computerized controls. Its balanced performance makes it our number 4 pick for the best sewing machines of 2026. Number 3. Brother HC1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Taking the number 3 spot is the Brother HC1850, a lightweight computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for clothing, decorative stitching, monogramming, repairs, and quilt projects. It offers a large stitch collection while remaining approachable for beginners and home sewers. The HC1850 includes 185 built-in stitches, consisting of 130 sewing stitches and 55 alphanumeric stitches for basic lettering. It also provides 8 styles of one-step auto-size buttonholes. Stitches can be selected using the push-button controls and viewed on the LCD display. An advanced needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin help simplify setup. The included wide table provides additional support for quilts and larger fabrics, while the 8 presser feet offer flexibility for different sewing techniques. At only 10.1 pounds, the machine is also relatively easy to carry to classes or sewing groups. In a large stitch collection and lightweight design make it our number 3 pick for the best sewing machines of 2026.
Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. Taking the number 2 spot is the Singer Heavy Duty 4452, a high-speed sewing machine built for everyday projects and thicker fabrics. Its stronger motor and full metal frame provide the stability and piercing power needed for multiple fabric layers, making it suitable for clothing, home decor, repairs, and quilting tasks. The machine includes 32 built-in stitches, covering basic, stretch, decorative, and one-step buttonhole options. Together, these provide 110 stitch applications for different creative and practical projects. With a maximum sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, it can complete longer seams more quickly. The top drop-in bobbin has a transparent cover for monitoring thread supply, while the built-in needle threader simplifies setup. Its accessory package includes 6 presser feet, such as a walking foot and non-stick foot, plus heavy-duty needles, a clearance plate, bobbins, and a quilting guide. Pros: strong motor for thicker fabrics, up to 1100 stitches per minute, 32 stitches with 110 applications, durable full metal frame, built-in needle threader, one-step buttonhole, clear top drop-in bobbin, generous heavy-duty accessory package. Cons: only 32 built-in stitches, 1-year manufacturer warranty. High sewing speed may require practice for beginners. Overall, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 offers fast stitching, strong fabric penetration, and useful accessories for demanding home projects. Its dependable heavy-duty performance makes it our number 2 pick for the best sewing machines of 2026. Number 1. Brothers CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine. Taking the number 1 spot is the Brothers CS7000X, a computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for beginners, home sewers, and quilters who want useful features without an overly complicated setup. It combines a durable metal frame, a large workspace, simple LCD controls, and a generous accessory package. The machine includes 70 built-in stitches, covering utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting functions, along with 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. The LCD screen makes stitch selection easy, while the improved automatic needle threader and jam-resistant quick-set drop-in bobbin help simplify preparation. A fixed needle bar helps produce cleaner, more even stitching, and the larger needle-to-arm area provides additional room for quilts and other bulky projects. The package includes a wide quilting table, quilt guide, protective hard case, and 10 presser feet, giving users plenty of options for everyday sewing and quilting. Pros: 70 built-in sewing and quilting stitches, 7 automatic buttonhole styles, improved automatic needle threader, jam-resistant quick-set bobbin, durable metal frame, fixed needle bar for consistent stitching, large workspace for quilting projects, includes 10 presser feet and a wide table, protective hard case included, 25-year limited warranty. Cons: does not include embroidery functions, intended only for 120-volt US use, fewer stitches than some higher-priced computerized machines. Overall, the Brothers CS7000X offers an excellent combination of ease of use, quilting capability, accessories, and value. Its beginner-friendly controls and versatile feature set make it our number 1 pick for the best sewing machines of 2026.